The world has changed quite a bit. Over the past 75 years, things seem to move faster. People seem to move faster. Life seems to move faster. But regardless of change, there are things that stand the test of time. Heroes. Heroes stand the test of time. Icons stand the test of time. Winning a gold buckle at the Wrangler NFR as a world champion. That stands the test of time. But maybe most importantly, principles. Principles to live by stand the test of time. It takes courage to climb into the bucking chutes and ride an uncultured bronc or a 2,000-pound bull for 8 seconds. It takes tremendous grit to dig deep, work hard, and overcome obstacles. And there will always be obstacles. These principles are a part of our very being. They're part of our families. They're part of our communities. They are part of our country. We have a responsibility to pass this on, this heritage, this legacy of the great American West. Here's to the next 75. Wrangler, long live